Hello, everyone, and welcome to Hello Word. I'm Alex, and I'm excited to be with you today for another episode that will help you improve your English skills. Today, we're talking about a small but important part of English grammar, prepositions. If you're at an A2 level or beginner, this episode is designed to help you understand what prepositions are and how to use them. Let's dive in. So, what is a preposition? A preposition is a word that connects nouns, pronouns, or phrases to other words in a sentence and shows their relationship to each other, usually in terms of location, time, or direction. Common prepositions in English include words like in, on, at, to, from, with, and about. Let's look at some examples to see how prepositions work. Imagine you're talking about where something is. You might say, "The book is on the table." Here, on is a preposition that shows the relationship between the book and the table. Or, if you're talking about time, you might say, "I'll see you at 5 p.m." In this case, at is a preposition that shows when you'll see the person. Another example could be, "She walked to the store." Here, to is a preposition that shows the direction of her movement. In everyday conversations, prepositions are essential for making sentences clear. For example, if you're describing a location, you could say, "The cafe is next to the library." Or, if you're planning to meet someone, you might say, "Let's meet in the park." These small words help others understand exactly where, when, or how something is happening. Thank you so much for tuning in to Hello Word today. I hope this explanation of prepositions was helpful, and I hope you'll feel more confident using them in your conversations. If you enjoyed today's episode, don't forget to subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others find the show and keeps us going. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next episode.